The real reason behind the Gen Z stare. The older generation always critiques the younger generation. Every age group thinks the kids coming up behind them are harder to understand. One of the biggest complaints about Gen Z is what people online call the Gen Z stare. If you have not heard the term, it describes a blank, emotionless look a teenager gives you when you're trying to make simple small talk. You'll often hear people complain about it happening at grocery store checkouts, coffee shops, or customer service desks. You try to break the ice, and in response, you get a blank face. This look is not just random bad behavior. It's the result of a few big cultural shifts happening all at once. Understanding this look comes down to environment, technology, and changing social habits. In many cases, the stare is not meant to be rude or mean. It's their default resting face. Since they did not grow up in environments where people were expected to smile all the time, their normal expression looks empty. Also, for older generations, talking with strangers was normal. Many men would go up to women to break the ice. Today, everything is considered creepy. Starting a random conversation with someone you do not know is seen as awkward. Technology lets everyone stay in their own world, so small talk is a forgotten skill. Technology comes with the good and the bad. The bad part is that growing up with all the online info has made younger people easily overwhelmed. When a stranger talks to them out of nowhere, their first reaction is to freeze. Older generations grew up in spaces where they had to talk, react fast, and deal with people in person every day. Gen Z grew up with different tools, different habits, and different comfort zones. The Gen Z stare is usually not a sign of disrespect. Most of the time, it's just a reaction from someone who feels put on the spot in a world where talking to strangers is no longer second nature. ArmaniTalks.